What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing a brand new place where you can get low and no content book interiors. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, over the last few weeks I've been creating a lot of low content book interiors to sell myself on KDP. So I've got these interiors, all I need to do is create covers and I have books. I've also been selling them on Creative Fabrica, which I'm about to show you, and that's just here. We're known as Interior-tastic. And I will be selling them on Etsy as well. Now, because I've created all of these interiors, which you can see just here, I've decided to also sell them on my own website over on Gumroad as well. So if you have a Creative Fabrica account or pay for a subscription, you can download these at no extra cost. Now, if you do not have Creative Fabrica, then do not worry, because I've been setting up a brand new website. So again, this is Interior-tastic. This is on interiortastic.com. I will leave a link for this down in the description below if you want to go and check it out. So this is still a work in progress. This is not finished. I will be adding more bundles of interiors here as well. And if you click on the grab your bundle, it brings up Gumroad, which is perfectly safe. It's where I host all of my courses, and you can check out everything like that. Or if you want, you can even go over to my profile by clicking this just here, StackinProfit, and it's going to bring you over to here, my profile page over on Gumroad, where you can check it out as well. But if we take a look at this, we can see you get 5 interiors in each bundle. I'm going to be doing bundles because it works out better for everyone else. In this bundle you get contacts and address book, meal planner tracker, priorities tracker, financial planner and a sleep tracker as well. Oh, look at that. We also have 5 stars already. Now every interior also comes with a CANVA editable file. So once you download the templates, you can click through, go to Canva, and you're going to have an editable file that you can completely customize if you want. You also get the PDFs which are ready to upload. Now every bundle is only going to be $9.99, so it only works out at $1.99 each for every interior. Now again, if you don't want to purchase this way, you can always come over to Creative Fabrica and do it that way, because that way it's not going to cost you anything if you already if you already have the subscription over on Creative Fabrica. Now one cool thing I do want to show you quick is if we go over to KDP Interiors, I think, well, yesterday when I checked, 8 of our interiors are on the front page. So if we go to KDP Interiors, sort by most popular, we can see that the homeschool planner's there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. So now we actually have 9 interiors on the first page of Creative Fabrica in the KDP section out of 641. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I thought I would just share that as well. Now, like I said, this website is a work in progress. If you want to check it out, I will be leaving a link down in the description below. I'll also leave a link to my Creative Fabrica store in case you already have the subscription and just want to download some of the interiors. I'll leave that down below as well. Also, if we click on one of these, let's choose one to click on. I like the homeschool planner. So if we click on that, let's let it load up for a second. Now, if we go down, oh, we got a review on that one as well. I've added a lot more images. These ones, look, you can see how it looks like as a book as well. And if we go back over to here, let's click on that. I've added a lot more images so you can see each individual pages, as you can see like that. So if you're interested, then click that link down in the description below to go and check it out. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.